Exploring the infinite universe and the multiverse. Once, the great scientist Albert Einstein said that logic will take you from point A to point B, but imagination can take you anywhere in the universe, anytime, without taking any time at all. Our universe is so huge that even traveling at the speed of light, it would take 13.8 billion years to go from one end to the other. That means even the future generations won't be able to explore the observable universe. So, exploring the infinite universe is beyond what we can even imagine. But friends, today we're going to use our imagination to travel beyond the limits of science, to picture worlds that no telescope has ever seen, and to dream about the mysteries that still lie hidden in the vastness of space. We're about to explore the infinite universe, and this city has a lot to offer you all. So hold on tight because space weather is about to get rough. Friends, to truly understand the vast universe, we're going to let our imagination soar, but at the same time, we'll keep it grounded with logic so we can get the real facts about the universe. To grasp the infinity of the cosmos, we'll have to travel all the way from Earth to the farthest edges of the universe. So, our journey begins right here on our beloved Earth. Everyone lives on Earth, which stretches about 13,000 kilometers wide. For the past few years, Earth has been moving around the Sun, carrying life along with it. Our Sun, along with us, is orbiting around the center of the galaxy. Over the last few billion years, the Sun has only made about 20 full orbits around the galaxy's center. This shows just how huge the galaxy is. If we were to travel from Earth to the Sun, we'd have to cover around 150 million kilometers. A person walks at about 5 kilometers per hour, so if a normal person were to walk to the Sun, it would take over 3,000 years of non-stop walking, day and night, without ever resting, eating, or sleeping. If you tried walking to the Sun, it would take you about 3,425 years to get there. But if you could travel at the speed of light, it would only take about 8 minutes. The Sun itself is moving at a speed of 200 kilometers per second. Plus, our Sun is orbiting inside the galaxy, the Milky Way, which is home to somewhere between 100 and 400 billion stars. The galaxy is so huge that even the fastest man-made object, the Parker Solar Probe, which travels at around 700,000 kilometers per hour, would still take a long time to cross it. It would take 2 million years, and even at the fastest speed, light speed, it would still take 100,000 years. But since nothing can go faster than light, we can only imagine traveling beyond the Milky Way. Friends, let me tell you, the Milky Way galaxy is moving through space at about 100 kilometers per second. That means this huge galaxy is moving through the universe at an incredible speed. There are roughly 1 trillion galaxies in our universe, and all of these galaxies have billions of stars, just like our Earth's Sun. Urban planets might exist. It's possible that in so many urban galaxies, there could be a planet just like our Earth, where life similar to ours exists. If we go even further, beyond our imagination, we reach outside the universe and see that our universe is spread across 93 billion light-years, containing the Carbon Galaxy. You'll be surprised to know that this universe itself is continuously expanding. We humans call it the observable universe, meaning the part of the universe we can see from Earth, as far as we can observe. But beyond that lies a vast unknown, regions we may never be able to detect, filled with mysteries, galaxies, and perhaps even phenomena we cannot yet imagine. Coming here doesn't mean the story ends, it actually begins. The question is, the universe we stand in is this big, and there's nothing beyond it. According to scientists, our universe could be 250 times bigger than the observable universe. So far, we don't know anything beyond this universe. But the real question is, what's outside the universe? Is this universe infinite, meaning there's nothing beyond it? Either the universe itself is infinite, or there are many more universes beyond it, like a multiverse. Scientists say it's possible that there are many other universes just like ours. So, basically, we all live in the multiverse. If we're all part of the multiverse, then we exist in a reality full of endless possibilities, like an infinite universe with bubble-like mini-universes called Nikon universes, and there are infinite tires floating around. But when we talk about infinity, a surprising truth hits us. Having an infinite universe actually means the end of possibilities, because possibilities only exist within limits, not in infinity. So when you think of infinity, you just assume it's endless, but it's more complicated than that. It has no end, but today you're about to unfold what infinity really means. This can either confuse you or open your eyes. Friends, the universe being infinite means that every possible thing exists within it. In an infinite universe, there isn't just one Earth that looks like ours, but countless Earths. And not just ones that look similar, but exact replicas of our Earth, with the same people and countries living on them, just like our reality. Whether it's the complete life story of every person, those Earths truly exist. People who go to the gym have lives that completely match yours, not just in looks, but their lives are going through the same stuff as yours. But along with that, there are endless variations too. Like, if you failed a mission, somewhere out there in this infinite universe, another version of you is actually succeeding at that mission. So, it's possible, not impossible, that your mission could turn out differently because in some universe, a different version of you is nailing it. Another truth about infinity is that there are people who look just like you. There are infinite versions of you out there, short, tall, big, thin, all existing somewhere in the universe. Maybe in one universe, you're a doctor, and in another, you're an actor. So, different versions of you are spread across different worlds. Another truth about infinity is that the movies you watch, even when told they have no connection to reality, might actually be real somewhere out there in the infinite. At least parts of their stories could exist as real in some world. The same goes for the history books you've read on Earth. History is just a story, too. On a planet located at some infinite distance, what's happening right now means that the infinite universe implies the existence of infinite realities. You might be surprised to know that in infinity, our past, present, and future stories all exist at the same time. In other words, your past is present somewhere, and your future is present in some infinite corner. Now, if we talk about life in the infinite universe, not only will there be infinite life, but there will also be strange kinds of intelligent life out there, just like here on Earth. Life has evolved in this way, so in some other universe, evolution must have given rise to some really strange forms of life. In the infinite multiverse, there could be a planet where ants are intelligent but humans aren't, or maybe a universe where donkeys are smart. Because in infinity, every possibility exists. There will be beings out there way smarter than us, with the ability to sleep much more deeply and faster, which could make them so powerful that they can harness the full energy of their sun. Whether it's harnessing the full energy of a galaxy or something else, beings like that must have understood time itself, and they'd be able to travel from one universe to another. If they've figured out how to move faster than light, they'd probably be capable of time travel, too. An infinite universe proves infinite possibilities. Some of those weird possibilities you can imagine would actually happen. When it comes to the multiverse, there would be some universes with rules completely different from ours. The laws of the universe don't apply where there's antimatter instead of matter. According to science, the universe came into existence randomly, and because of this randomness, there must be other universes out there with different constants from ours. That means the rules in those universes would be different from ours. So, in an infinite multiverse, there could be many strange universes beyond our imagination. Scientists say our universe has limits because it was created at a specific point in time. It's possible that this is just a tiny part of infinity, a kind of mantra, and that we are sitting inside the whole universe. So, scientists also believe that an infinite universe was never really created, It has always existed and always will. There's no need for a creator who made it. It's just part of a self-sustaining existence. But now, you might be wondering, if the universe is infinite, then why do we humans exist in this endless universe? What's our purpose? Why are we here in this infinite space? If we don't really matter in the grand scheme of things, then what's the point of all this? We're tiny in this huge universe, so why does it even exist for us? This is the biggest question for scientists. Some prominent thinkers believe they've found a purpose for the universe. Take Elon Musk, for example. He thinks human civilization has already faced a lot of big threats, and since we haven't found life anywhere else in the universe yet, why not focus on advancing life here on Earth before it gets wiped out? What if an asteroid hits or some catastrophic event wipes us out? So why not make life have multiple chances and have us live on different planets, spreading human civilization slowly to the farthest corners of the universe? But still, we don't have a full answer to the big question. Why do we even exist in the universe? After all, one day we'll be gone too, but the multiverse will always be there. So why are we even here in this multiverse? Stay connected with our channel to find out. One day, we'll figure out why we're here in this universe. I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, keep exploring the depths of the cosmos, because we are all part of it. Thank you for very much.
Welcome to our channel. Disclaimer: this channel does not promote any illegal activities, and all contents in this channel is for educational purposes only. Our channel based videos promoting for educational tutorials, famous quotes of the world, biological, historical, and geographical facts, genius stories, and biography. Please follow or subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.